How to replace a Human Touch Super Novo 2.0 massage mechanism. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, 4mm Allen wrench, wire cutter, drill with a flathead bit, zip ties, a ruler, and a light-colored permanent marker. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Next, use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 6 screws that secure the back cover to the chair, then remove the cover. Unzip the top of the backrest pad. Now, open the small zipper near the left-hand speaker, then use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screw that secures the upper left side panel to the upper backrest. Repeat this step to remove the same screw from the right-hand side. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 2 screws that secure the rear of the upper backrest assembly to the chair frame. Pull up on the backrest assembly to remove it from the chair. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 2 screws and washers that secure the top of the plastic backrest frame to the metal chair frame. Remove the 3 screws and washers that secure each side of the plastic backrest frame to the metal chair frame. Next, unzip the foot and calf massager upholstered flap from the body pad. Lift the front of the body pad, then unzip the front of the body pad on both sides. Completely unzip the right-hand side of the body pad. Lift up on the front of the body pad, then open the inner zipper. Unzip the cloth massage mechanism cover to expose the massage mechanism. Now, use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws that secure the 2 white plastic brackets that retain the massage mechanism strap, then remove the brackets. Next, use a 4mm Allen wrench to remove the 4 screws that secure the rolling motor to the chair frame. Using a 4mm Allen wrench, remove the 2 screws from the bracket on each side of the metal plate that covers the top of the massage mechanism. Remove the metal plate. Using a wire cutter, cut the 2 zip ties that secure the massage mechanism harness to the chair frame, then cut the zip tie that secures the harness to the spring. Next, cut the zip tie that secures the harness near the connectors. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screw and washer that secure the ground wire to the chair frame. Disconnect the massage mechanism harness connector. Now, using a drill with a flathead bit, insert the bit into the top of the rolling motor, then rotate it clockwise to move the massage mechanism to the top of the backrest until the upper rollers clear the track. You can now lift the massage mechanism out of the backrest. To install the new massage mechanism, first measure 14 inches from the mechanism end of the harness and mark it. Next, using a 4mm Allen wrench, remove the 4 screws that secure the rolling motor to the mechanism frame. Remove the 4 white plastic wheels from the old mechanism, then install them onto the new mechanism. Now, with the massage mechanism arms facing forward, slide the massage mechanism rollers into the track. Using a drill with a flathead bit, insert the bit into the top of the rolling motor, then rotate it counterclockwise to move the massage mechanism down the track until the limit switch clears the magnet on the track. Install the ground wire loop onto the screw, followed by the washer, then use a Phillips head screwdriver to secure it to the chair. Connect the massage mechanism harness connectors. Using a new zip tie, secure the harness near the connectors to the chair frame. Cut the excess zip tie. Using 2 new zip ties, finish securing the harness to the chair frame. Cut the excess zip ties. Next, thread a new zip tie through the loop at the end of the spring, then secure the spring to the massage mechanism harness at the location you previously marked. Cut the excess zip tie. Holding the rolling motor against the mechanism frame with one hand, replace and hand tighten the 4 Allen screws to secure the motor to the frame. Use a 4mm Allen wrench to finish tightening the screws. Now, place the upper plastic bracket into position over the mechanism strap, aligning the screw holes, then replace the 2 screws to secure it. Follow this step to replace the lower plastic bracket. Next, close the fabric massage mechanism cover zipper. Close the inner zipper at the front of the body pad. Starting near the headrest, close the right-hand body pad zipper, then close the left-hand zipper. Zip the foot and calf massager upholstered flap to the body pad. Now, replace and partially tighten the 3 left-hand side screws and washers that secure the plastic backrest frame to the chair. Finish tightening the 3 screws. Next, replace and partially tighten the 3 right-hand side screws and washers that secure the plastic backrest frame to the chair. Finish tightening the 3 screws. Place the metal plate into position at the top of the massage mechanism, then replace and hand tighten the 4 Allen screws to hold it in place. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, replace the 2 screws and washers to secure the metal plate to the backrest frame. Using a 4mm Allen wrench, finish tightening the 2 screws on each side of the metal plate. Now, note the 2 horseshoe brackets on each side of the upper backrest assembly and the corresponding posts on the chair. Note the upper side panel bracket and the corresponding bracket on the upper backrest. Aligning these 3 mounting points on both sides, replace the upper backrest assembly. Confirm that both upper and lower posts are seated inside the brackets and that the upper side panel brackets are inside the small pockets. Next, replace the 2 screws and washers to secure the upper backrest assembly to the chair frame. Note the back cover posts and the corresponding clips on the chair. Note the back cover tabs and the corresponding slots on the chair. Slide the lower tabs into the slots, align the upper posts and clips, then push firmly on the back cover until the posts snap into place in the clips. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, replace the 6 screws and washers to secure the back cover. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, replace the screw inside the small pocket to secure each upper side panel to the backrest assembly. Close each pocket zipper. Next, zip the top of the body pad to the chair. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.